Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, simply right click on the start icon and click on settings. You can also open it from search bar. Simply go to search bar and type your settings. This will be a simplest way. Open settings and then we need to click on the three line and select system tab. Once we are here, we need to click on these window display, and in the display from the scale and layout we need to select scale up to the 100%. This one recommended. If you selected the another level like 125 or 150, we have to select the 100%. And you can also change check it out display resolution. You have to select the another one to fix this. Keep if I select the 1280 and 800, and the problem will be solved, but this one is recommended 1280 into 720. So select this one and select 100%. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.